Here we're done with the CL500 transmission and the diff fluid. Came to this awesome shop, do-it-yourself shop in northern New Jersey. They got all the tools. They got 2-post lifts, 4-post lifts, all the tools you could ask for. Sockets from here to wherever. Everything else that you need. Drills, presses, you name it. This is a great place to come to. Here it is. Do-it-yourself garage. There's the number. Northern New Jersey. Well worth it. I'll post a link. Dave's the owner. Really nice guy. Brandon's the other guy here. Awesome guys that can help also if you need.